guys, welcome to Galfer USA. We're here at Galfer in Carson City, Nevada. And today we're going to be giving you a quick walk. My name is Sandro, I'm the president here. And we started Galfer in early 90s here in the States. And this is a brand new facility that we started working here about a year ago now. So come on through and we'll give you guys a quick tour. Over here, you guys can see that we have, a lot of the different things that we work with, our race teams. Some of them send us like the plaques of the championships that they've won over the years. Some bikes that we've sort of collected over time, shirts from different teams. Most of these race teams, everybody that we work with, they're kind of like family to us. So in some instances, some people will say, who is this team or who is this other team? To us, it doesn't really matter whether they're very famous or not. It's just, it's a big family. It's a motorcycle industry. So, all right. So we'll show you guys the sales department here. This is where basically everything gets processed throughout the day. When an order is received from MotoSport, that order is immediately entered within our system. If there's any issues or any questions, we'll contact the customer and then, just push it through. Everybody's an enthusiast here and understands the importance of, motorcycles and brakes and what is it that we all enjoy doing. We'll show you now the warehouse where we build all the rotors and get all the orders. So follow me through. As we walk through here, you guys will see we have a lot of our supercross riders and motocross riders that we've worked with over the years. Hill, Bell, Ducatis, Lopez, Carath, Chad Reed, or Blake Baggett. As time goes by, we get to know these guys personally quite well and understand their brake needs. And that's part of what we do the most, is like work with these guys to understand how can we improve our braking systems. But let me show you guys how we do that. Come through. All right, guys, let me show you out on our warehouse facility assembly. Here's where we get all our things from Galfer in Europe. So we'll have brake pads on the shelves, brake rotors. Some of the rotors that we get from Europe, they're all assembled. Some of the parts that we receive, what we'll do is we'll assemble them here in the States. So, for instance, we have Richard over here right now building some rotors that they're for Harley. And, it depends. Sometimes someone wants different color buttons or whatnot. Some of the parts that we're starting to assemble, especially all our off-road oversized kits, have US-made components. So, as we develop products for the US market, we just start making them here in the States, So I'm gonna show you guys where we have some of the stuff that comes out on a daily basis for shipping purposes. Follow me through, and so right here we have over 800 different rotor part numbers. This is what moves in a monthly basis. So what will usually happen is, again, we'll go back to receiving an order from MotoSport and then shipping it to you guys. A puller will grab the part number, the rotor itself, and then they'll make sure that we have the right part number, and we'll get it through quality control. Quality control checks it, makes sure that part number matches what the packaging has, and then it gets shipped directly to our distributor, in this case, again, MotoSport. They receive it and they put it on the shelf. So this is where we have all of the brake pads. On top, we have what would be considered overstock. On brake pads, at this point, we have a lot of different part numbers, but all of the brake pads are made in Barcelona, Spain. The compounds that we have are compounds that they're being developed and all done by Galfer, by the Galfer family for many, many years. And as time goes by and as we learn more from our race teams and whatnot, we'll change our compounds and we'll do modifications. So, obviously feedback from riders is extremely important to us. But this is where all the brake pads are. So, we'll get brake pads shipped to MotoSport and they'll put them on their shelf and they'll send them to you guys. All right, guys, we're gonna show you our R&D room. This is one of the new rooms that we built when we got here in Carson City. So the idea behind this is that everything that we manufacture, everything that Motorsport has in stock, we want to make sure that it has been worked by Galfer. You know, a bike will come in, we'll take it apart, we'll document the entire stock brake hose system, take that off, and our two technicians will then install a brake line kit by Galfer. We will then document that entire process, obviously have some saddle time because we need to ride and try it and make sure it's working properly, document everything on how to be bled and whatnot. ABS kits are very tough to bleed. And yeah, that's how it's basically done, all of it here in the States. Let me show you guys how, once we have a brake line design done, how does the manufacturing side of our brake hoses here in Carson City, Nevada, how do we make the hoses? So follow me. So let's come through here. We're gonna take a look at how we make these hoses that we just R&D'd back over there. Cameron, what are you working on? Can you make us a kit?
I'm working on a Kawasaki ZX6 Superbike.
We went ahead and cut the hose, following what our tablet tells us to follow. You know, we chose the right fittings. The fittings at this point are going to be positioned as well. So before they go to crimping, the fittings are positioned so that we know that when you guys get these hoses, they're all going to fit properly. Before it goes into crimping and then testing of pressure, there's at least 4 or 5 checks that have to happen. So now they're basically checking the positioning of the fittings, the length of the hose, that it has all the components that are needed. All right, so once the brake hose is crimped, it'll go into what we do is a pressure testing. So Dana right now, it's pressure testing off-road rear brake lines. The brake line receives a mix of water and oil, and then it gets pressure, gives us right away knowledge of whether or not there's a problem. And they turn it off, they pass air through the line, and then we leave them hanging so that, you know, when you get a brake line, you don't have a bunch of crap inside that it's not going to be needed for you, you know. And that's it. Once the brake lines are tested and they're ready to go, we'll move on to packing the brake hoses and send them out. All right, guys, you've seen how we R&D the brake lines. You see where all the rotors and all the brake pads are at. We're going to show you the last step. It's packing up the order and getting it out to Motorsport's warehouse. So it's pretty straightforward. After the brake lines, pads, or rotors have gone through the last step of quality control, they will come over here and we will have someone as handsome as this gentleman over here and packing it up. What we're looking for at the last step over here, it's making sure that what the order on the paper has, it's exactly what we are sending out. And that's it. Basically, everything comes out from here. UPS, post office, whatever it might be, and we're ready. Thank you so much for stopping by and looking at what Galfer does for Motorsport and for all of you guys. Thank you.